Of person, to slander person, to pedify person, and through perjury to spoil person name. The information when the company got down and say they talk say if anybody were involved in this kind of thing, the person go prison for a particular period of time, or the person go pay some kind of money. But that one no affect plenty people. The one when come make plenty people will say, "Che, it be like say something there inside this arrangement." Now the one when they talk say inside for the 4 sections. They talk say people when we say they go on top of social media, they spread some kind of false lies about people when we say that they're inside government. Say those people, they must catch them and they go answer their mama name when they appear for inside court. Plenty people will come and talk say this one they very very good. Say people when we say we elect to represent us, make they protect them so that no bad thing go they make their work no go on well. Other people come talk say if they elect you to represent person, the people when put you there get the right to ask you anything. Frivolous or no frivolous, now your own to come out to talk say now like this he be or no be like that he be. But if you don't come out, come talk say okay, oh, no be like this he be, now like this he be. That person when use lie to spoil your name, he go court to go answer in mama name. Now the discussion when we carry come this morning be that to discuss them to see whether yes indeed these people when they represent us now for our interest are be now for their own interest.
Yes, the question should not for our interest or be for their own interest. But what you can do there, we say make also weigh this thing, look and where we break them down. Check them out. We remember, say, in 2011, our former president then passed the Freedom of Information Bill. We will give us the license to say, okay, we want to talk within our mind. We want to look within government they do, and them also talk within. We go fit at least they talk so that the government will feed at least correct themselves in areas where they feel say they don't get them right. Okay, right about now with this bill where Senator that is what you call Ibn Na'ala, where they represent Kebbi State. When they come and talk, say, look, okay, say they're going to need to at least also do it. But surround this thing with some measures. When you got they allow people do it, talk anyhow for social media and all that. The question can be say, this one will try to restrict us completely from not even speaking our mind. Because the freedom of information bill don't give us the right. And we don't also see somehow don't see the relevance of the freedom of the information bill. True. At least that bill don't somehow bring our leaders to caution. So okay, make people no talk say we do this thing wrong. At least make we adjust ourselves. But with this one way that they try bring it now, you go be like say go enclose people from not saying things. You go enclose people from not talking when they're supposed to talk. And even when something, if you say something they go wrong in the house or they go wrong among our leaders, we just be like say we don't dare enclose. We don't get the right to say we won't talk again. Then what then is the whole essence of say we dey monitor our leaders? Exactly. What then is the whole essence of say okay, our leader get it wrong. Make us speak this particular wrong way, get right, and them so that they go fit correct themselves. I mean, just like say, now democracy will call them. And that democracy give you the right to at least talk your mind.
Exactly.
You understand? So that is what we should be saying.
Well, it important make we point out, say, when we talk about democracy, the one when we say Abraham Lincoln defined as government of the people, by the people, and for the people. One of the essence or the major hallmark of democracy now freedom. And freedom get to do with rights when we say people get. You get what they call inalienable rights. Like say you do government, you for understand. When they say you do government, now intro tech and home economics, now you go they choose because as I they talk now.
I do something.
Intro tech.
I do something.
Home economics, food.
I do something.
Allow me to continue my point.
I do something. Now if I strong to
when they talk, why you gonna look me and they say inalienable rights?
If I don't do government, how I go there for this platform? I do government for secondary school.
Which government you do for secondary school?
I do government.
You do home economics.
Government, now they give me this information why I know what website. Look, it is too early for you to start launching.
So if I'm giving my point, don't they look me like
don't say... Don't refer your point to me. You're attacking me personally.
And they give point, they look me like say, I won't say you. I say, we get right.
I will be surprised if you sell me.
Look me, open mouth. They look me like say this thing.
If you decide to sell me tomorrow.
We are supposed to be on the same page. As I they talk, make you they give me back up.
You started the deviation.
Which deviation?
You started the deviation. Now if first tackle me, come they slightly move away from the brotherhood relationship we were supposed to establish.
Which but I call Abraham Lincoln. You dey look me like say you never hear am before.
You can't dey tell me say if you say I, you do government. Wetin that one mean? Who
Why you been dey look me dey open mouth?
Why no go look you?
Why you go dey look me when I dey
Who
talk?
again there? We get the third party here.
I was making my point.
And referring it to who?
Wetin you suppose to dey do na to talk say
Oh,
I
make I dey
concur.
accept wetin they talk. Say
You
na me.
know they do back up. I dey talk. You dey look me like say I dey lecture you. When they say you watch Nigerian film, people like Abidjan, all those people na those ones na
Okay,
you
for
know.
instance, now may I give you an example. As you did so, I dey talk.
No give me example.
Oh, you know what?
I'm still the one talking. No,
you know what? I bring
no
example.
give me
abi?
example. Make I continue with what I dey talk. But my own be say if I dey talk, no dey look me like say what I dey talk dey strange.
You are not my lecturer in this case. You and I are co-presenters or co-anchors of this program. Mind yourself.
Why you dey look me like say what I dey talk dey strange? That's my question.
It has always been strange to me.
Let me call you see I'm home economist. Too much home economist. Too much home economist. Shorthand business studies. Business everything be if na mango we say make we dey separate now naira kobo I dey very sure say your eye go dey shine. I dey call Abraham Lincoln. I dey call inalienable rights. You dey look me like say what I dey talk dey strange. Allow me to make my point, please. And please, I don tell you, if you know they look me like say you dey shock with what I dey talk. I say the hallmark, the essence of democracy na say people go dey talk. If as all of us get right, for example, freedom of expression na one of our rights. The thing they get limitation. Wetin be the limitation? No be because of say you get the right to talk or to ask question. You can't carry am reach one level when you say you can't be like say you don dey overdo. That's what I'm saying.
Basically, now what you don't do.
Which will be what I don do.
You don't do that limitation. You don't pass that limitation. They carry and go beyond board.
I take pass limitation.
Let us respect ourselves and address this matter.
I respect myself. Respect yourself.
My respect is my respect. You let your respect be your respect.
Don't collect my own respect.
I'm not collecting. I'm holding on to my own respect. You said hold on to your respect. Don't extend your respect to me.
Oh yeah, respect me. Make I complete my talk.
Also respect me. Make no refer your statement to me.
Then respect me. No, they look me anytime when I talk something. When be like say the thing they surprise you.
Okay, may I dey look camera.
Thank you. Look camera. May I continue with what I dey talk. Now on the floor of the House of Senate, these our senators then they talk say. See, because the rebuttal when they come out with talk say the talk when on they go round say we want stifle people when we say they express themselves on top of social media say no be true. See so thing when we say the bill entail. See so thing when we want we do. So that people when we say we elect to represent us because we believe in them and we trust them, we go allow them do wetin they're supposed to do without say person go just want spoil the person name, come up with frivolous petition. But then again, we're going to ask ourselves, this move when we say our senators them or our legislators they won't do, whose interest? If you talk say you know what make some people when just look say no will derail this man or no will make him no concentrate. They're going to bring frivolous petition when no be true. Just they pack everything so that I no go fit concentrate on the job when they do. That one are very
That is not a criterion for me.
No, it's a very good thing.
It will not stop you from not doing your job.
It's a very good thing. You don't know wetin frivolous mean. Wetin be as you do like this now, if I come out talk, you don't get that all those girls when we say you dey block under mango tree. You don't get one. We don't talk say you want marry am. Una don dey prepare already. You don dey gather money to buy palm wine.
Wait. And the other better places I could probably meet a girl. Must it be under mango tree or orange tree?
Okay.
Why are you degrading?
Okay.
Why they downgrade me like this?
Cashew tree.
No, I don't want it. Please.
Pierre.
If you just meet a girl anywhere, maybe
Pierre.
for occasion.
Pierre.
I know they do it the local. I know they do it the local way.
Those small Pierre.
And they do it the local way.
Okay, come.
I need to come out openly to tell you I like you, even if not for street or for anywhere. For
Okay,
event
no,
no, they take me mango tree era. I'm not in. I'm
okay,
not,
more use sugarcane
use
plantation.
yourself. Yes.
Okay, you meet one girl for event.
Don't do you.
Oh, sorry, may I continue?
Don't go ahead with that example.
Okay, you.
Don't refer it to me.
Oh yeah, sorry. Dey this place. Girl, event, meet. You don't dey gather money where you go use buy palm wine say okay, Igbanku, all those kind of things. People come, they go around, they spread, say say Nkubi. Then they see am with sorry, no be the example when I want give the person name na Nkubi. Say Nkubi. Then they see am with so person, that kind of person. The thing go affect you. The thing when we say
that
you dey do.
If you allow am to affect you.
It go affect you.
See, we differ as individuals.
Nkubi. This one, you see, you are an elected public office holder.
In this case, elected public officer.
Yes.
In this case, no, they are
so
right.
if person carry frivolous petition come against you,
okay,
you go definitely answer to
that
am.
is if your hands dey clean. If your hand no dey clean, now it could affect you. But if you know wetin they do.
No.
Okay.
See where they come from. This one no be whether my mind dey strong.
So you go dirty your image or wetin.
Take for example, you now, as you wan marry the person, they come dey spread falsehood and lies. If you be person when we say you get strong man, you go say you no care. But then again, this is an elected public office holder. When we say they hold that position in trust, if people come they spread that kind of lie about them, some of us go to come and think say why he be say that they spread this kind of thing about this person? Now, the work when we say we don't elect the person to do, to concentrate, he no go do it. Today, they go invite and come.
But wait, let me also bring it from this angle.
They'll call me
let
for
me bring it
questioning.
from this angle. If peradventure, or somehow, the lie, or okay, maybe we just say, the things where people they talk about one particular leader, or one particular senator, or House of Rep member, can be maybe deep down, maybe if you can't check them, say there are some elements of truth in that. And people can't just speculate them around.
Exactly.
Okay, shey go talk say, as then they try pass this bill now, okay, they can't pass the bill. That same thing where we're going to talk about, we're not going to talk about again. I know if you put those same people to order when they're supposed to take correction.
You see the
because
problem.
Because now they try denial of. I understand the fact, say yes, people they use the medium of social media to carry out
Thank you very much.
News, no doubt.
Now the most important thing, if you understand that fact, then we must try to manage it. Remember, say for this country, we dey deal with so many things. This one no be say I get strong man, I don't care what they say. Remember, say some people they take advantage of politics, some people they take advantage of religion, some people they take advantage of ethnic background. Take for example, the major thing for the news get to do with the fact, say, aside from say they catch some people say, okay, they get question to answer as it take concern $2.1 billion. Now this issue of Biafra, now some people fit take advantage of this kind of thing, use and spread some kind of information when go cause problem.
Yes, I agree.
Now we are dealing with politics, we are dealing with religion, we are dealing with ethnic sentiment. You yourself know say for Nigerian politics, these three, now something when we say if we don't manage am well, it go cause more problem. Wetin we dey talk we say, no be say this, you no fit bath pikin finish. Come say you want to throw away the water wey you use bath am, come throw away the pikin join. Make we look this thing well to see say people no dey take advantage. Remember, say during the period of President Goodluck Ebele Jonathan, the opposition at the time used this medium to use disparage.
Odiously, yes.
Both all the political parties or the major contenders at that time, they use them against each other. We must not have this. Because if we continue to get this kind of thing, we as Nigerians no go fit benefit from good governance. That's what I'm talking about.
I understand. But then, we could also tell ourselves some good truth. Okay, fine. This is a law being passed. Shey you notice say this same law or this same bill no go actually restrict Nigerians from not hold on no because right about now because we are in a society where we say we don't know what we fit hold on say yes see the appropriate bill or I mean the appropriate law. No we can't just talk something and in the end they can't counter join say now still revolving around that same bill with them pass. Come buy you come put you for prison because may pay 2 million naira or make you enter jail for a particular period of time. You understand? And the point is somehow with this kind of punishment where this thing they follow, just like say it go cut us completely away from governance. It go cut us completely away from monitoring what our leaders
if we dey monitor the right thing, if we dey talk the truth, it no go cut us off come out. Now you get what they call affidavit. Wetin be affidavit? Affidavit now say you dey talk say okay, you swear oath say this thing when it be na like this it be. If you go, you know say person if you go court, go give testimony, go testify, you can't lie. The fact say person tell lie under oath, the person fit spend time for inside jail. Now, if I talk say for the pot of soup when belong to all of us, 4 meat out of 16 they miss, and na unkubi.
Hey! Use yourself, please. Enough of unkubi, please. Use some around. Let those bad side of the example they refer yourself.
Okay. Pot of soup when get 16
or
meat.
Or maybe if they refer to them.
This could be what na big meat too.
Tunde,
na big meat.
This thing.
Na combination of meat.
Maybe.
To where they around about
Excel them, all of them. They refer them, but don't bring it to me, please.
Oh yeah, make we okay.
Respect yourself. Let me respect myself.
Make I use the one way you go like.
No, I don't use me. Please.
Okay, big money.
I'm not corrupt.
No be matter of corruption.
I'm not corrupt.
Okay, if no thought that you get $20 billion.
I don't want.
You don't want. Much. It's too much.
It's too much.
$5 billion.
Chukwudi, refer to yourself, please.
Why you want
I don't get bigger.
Why you want me to use example when if you can make me begin to think at the end of the day?
Oh, so now me they wish that luck abi. You go they reflect, they think about all these things.
You go fit carry
the example.
Okay,
please.
now
do your example.
What if that what I talk say it could make we look this law inside out.
And Chukwudi, looking the law inside out, make we also properly fit define them. No be the way define them well so
exactly.
that you go fit extract the right from the false. We go fit extract.
You know wetin Nigerians must do now? As a people, make we comot eye say, I come from this part of Nigeria. See my religion. See the political party when we say, even though I know be carry member, see the political party when I dey support.
Yes.
Make all of us look this thing as one people. If we talk, say those when we elect to represent us, we want make them concentrate, make them face work of government, do am so that all of us go fit enjoy and benefit from am. Make all of us dey on the same page. If somebody carry petition come say, this person, see so thing when don't happen, I don't do my investigation or I get this evidence. And the person carry affidavit come say, oh yeah, court, I don't swear, say, this thing when I see against this person na true, come submit am. That one mean say, at least, one person no go just wake up one day talk say, could be chop money now.
Chukudi.
That's what I'm trying to say.
Chukudi, I need to carry this thing come on from this angle. Make we also bring am. We don't get, sincerely, this thing they vex me somehow. Though I understand, but somehow, me also, we don't see cases of some of our leaders. We say, somehow, allegedly, they say they steal money, and the money, we never even fit define the state of the money right now. A lot of these same people, courts still they handle their case. A lot of them, their court case still they pending. A lot of them, they don't even forget about their case. They just do a sweep and enter under carpet. We don't hear about them again. Okay, right about now, we say, okay, the issue of our leaders are not probably been addressed, and nothing they come out of this particular thing. See, I see the feel say, look, this particular bill will still somehow restrict us from not speaking the truth when we have to.
I don't think so. What do you mean?
Because one, then get other things where we say they never stay resolved. But for instance, we bring up some of these issues, say, let us go back to this issue, or let us probably unfold this particular case or this particular person. Chukudi, I mean, these are things we need to also look at. I mean, rather than shut the peoples up from not speaking the truth or speaking when they have to.
No be to shut. The idea na say, those when go come out, come talk, go get facts to substantiate their claims. Now, going into the Senate confirmation, everybody talk say they don't write petition, different petition against former governor of Rivers State, Chibuike Rotimi Amechi. Nkubi, after Senate come out with their white paper, wetin dem talk about all the petition when they write come. Say none of them be wetin be true. Now, one of the reasons why we said it be like say they stall in confirmation. Now because of all this petition when we say the right come, me and you know say if follow for the first sense of people when we say Oga President send go give the House of Senate. But because of say they look say okay, they won't look into this petition, they can't shift them. And at the end of the day, when they come out with their report, they can't discover say this thing, according to what they find out, not be true. So what would they talk? We say if for person to just sit down for us, just look say say now like this, I they think. You feel think once you get evidence, if you carry affidavit come say this thing when they talk is the truth and nothing but the truth. According to the one wey say they don't come and come talk not be the bill when we first circulate for social media because say they don't come and explain their position. Banks commission when we say be the talk person of Oga Senate president don't come and don't talk say see wetin the thing dey about. What do you mean they talk say critically we need to analyze, we need to assess, we need to evaluate this particular bill. Make we know say okay if we want make government they go smooth. When we say people no go just come, they bring different story. Person no go just go, they insult Oga President. Person no go because it's somehow.
The idea of insulting government officials.
All of them follow for all these things.
I understand.
All of them follow.
But then let it anyway. Let
no,
it
be
be
here
properly,
with them. Some people will come say,
properly
say somebody,
let it be
one
properly
big person
defined.
for government. Say
let it be properly defined.
I know they clear because he go don't take colorless liquid. He don't dey. Say you know hear wetin I talk. I say all this social media talk. People be spread gist one time say our gather time say by so time him eye don close because he take some kind things they take step down. So if people fit come up with this kind of claim, e dey cause problem. Somebody go wake up talk say this person dey useless, this one dey clueless, this one dey this. No be say you no go talk because whether you like am or not, the person wey dey represent you there, na your vote na him take go there. But we no suppose push am. That's why freedom of expression get limitation. You no go slander person, you no go assassinate person character, you no go defame person character, perjury, perfidy, all these kind of things don't dey there, na dem be the limitation. I get right to ask anybody when I put for government because na my vote na carry am go there, even though na 1 of 1 million. But wetin we dey talk be say, no be say I go just wake up, I go see something for my dream. I go see Oga Presido dey cross road for dream. I go come and come and say,
you don't do. For your dream or not for your dream, just take it easy there, hold it on. We are continuing this matter. But the way you just take them now, as if they come to lecture me or they lecture, we are trying to inform the viewers, but know that, but just hold it there. I bet maybe we'll quickly do it, maybe we'll quickly go for this break. When we come back, we'll go start up at least we'll continue the issue and at least inform now further on this particular topic we'll discuss today. Maybe we'll go for this break.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.